Good morning friends, welcome back to the another video of Students University, your own university. Today in this video, we will discuss about the exercise 2.5 linear equation in one variable, class 8. Okay, so 2.5, let's discuss the first question. The first question is exercise 2.5 that x by 2 by 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. The question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Simple. So we will take the LCM of both the sides. So 5 and 2 LCM will be 10. 2 5 is 10. So 5x minus 5 2 is 10. So 2 into 1 2. This side 4 3 is 12. So 4x here and here will be 3. Okay. So 5x minus 2 nothing it will be. So let's give the bracket. So 12 will come this side, so 12 5x minus 2 equals to 10 4x plus 3. Okay, so 12 5 is a 60x minus 12 2 is a 24 equals to 10 4 is a 40x plus 10 3 is a 30. तो हम लोग वेरिएबल एक तरफ और कांस्टेंट एक तरफ कर लेंगे, तो 60x minus 40x equals to 30 plus 24. So 60 minus 40 will be 20x and 30 plus 24 will be 40 50 54. That is x equals to, that is x equals to 54 by 20. So 2 tens are 20, 2 twos are 4 और 2 sevens are 40. That is equals to 27 by 10 आंसर. ओके, क्वेश्चन बहुत ही ईजी था. x बाई 2 माइनस 1 बाई 5 इक्वल्स टू x बाई 3 प्लस 1 बाई 4. तो हम लोग क्या किया, इन दोनों का एलसीएम लिए, इन दोनों का एलसीएम और इन दोनों का एलसीएम. इन दोनों का एलसीएम लेकर क्या गया, 5 इंटू 2 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 10. एलसीएम विल बी 10. सो 2 इंटू 5 इक्वल्स टू 10. तो x इंटू 2, तो 2 into 5, तो 5 into x, that is 5x minus 2 equals to 4x plus 3 by 12. 12 will go this side and 10 will go this side. So 12 5x minus 2 equals to 10 4x plus 3. So 12 into 5 equals to 60x. 12 into 2 24 equals to 10 4 is a 40x plus 30. 60x minus 40x is equals to 30 plus 24. 60 minus 40 equals to 20 and 30 plus 24 equals to 54. So x will be what? X will be 54 by 20, that is equals to 27 by 10. This was very simple question. Let's move to the next question, and the next question is exercise 2.5 sorry. n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. Okay, so we'll take all the three LCM. The LCM will be 12. 2 6 are 12, so 6n minus 4 3 are 12, so 3 3 are 9n plus 6 2 are, so 5 2 are 10n equals to 21. Okay, so 6 plus 10 equals to 16. 16 n minus 9n by 12 equals to 21. So 16 minus 9 will be equals to 7n equals to 21 into 12. So n equals to 21 into 12 by 7. 7 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Therefore n equals to 3 into 12, that is equals to 36. Okay, it was simple. n by 2, question was n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. So 3n minus 9n plus 20, we have taken the LCM of all three. So LCM is 12. So here will be 6n minus 9s plus 10n equals to 21. So 6 plus 10 equals to 16, n minus 9n by 12 equals to 21. 6n minus 9n equals to 7n equals to 12. They will go this side to 12 into 21. n equals to 21 by 12 by 7, 7 is 7, 7 3 21, 12 3 is 36. This was very simple question. I hope you have understood the question. Let's move to the third question of the exercise 2. To the third question. The third question is x plus 7 by minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. What, there is nothing, so 1 I have given, so LCM will be 3. So 3 LCM will be then what? So 3x plus 7 minus 8x, here LCM will be what? 6. So 17 minus 15x. I hope you have understood how I have taken the LCM. So 3 into x will be 3x plus 7 3 is 21 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 minus 15x by 6. Okay. So 3x minus 8x will be minus 5x plus 21 by 3 equals to 17 minus 15x by 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 2 will come this side, to minus 5x plus 21 equals to 17 minus 15x. So 5 is minus 10x plus 42 equals to 17 minus 15x, minus 10x plus 15x equals to 17 minus 42. This will become 5x equals to 20 minus 25. So x will be minus 25 by 5. So 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So x equals to minus 5 is the answer. Okay. So let's move to the fourth question of the exercise, that is 2.5. Fourth question, what is saying? Fourth question is x minus 5 divides 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. This is very simple question. You can take the LCM or you can just cross multiply. So 5 x minus 5 equals to 3 x minus 3. 5 into x, that is 5x minus 25, and 3 into x will be 3x minus 9. Okay, variable one side and constant one side. Minus 9 plus 25. So 5x minus 3x will be 2x, and minus 9 will be minus 9 plus 25 will be 16. X will be equals to 16 by 2, that is x equals to 8. This is, I think, very easy question. Okay. So let's move to the fifth question of the exercise of 2.3. Fifth question, what is saying? Fifth question is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divides 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, we'll take the LCM. 4 3 is 12. So 3t minus 2 minus 4 2t plus 3 equals to, here will LCM will be 3. So 2 minus 3t. Okay, 3 3 is 9t minus 3 2 is 6 minus 4 2 is 8t minus plus minus 4 3 is 12 by 12 equals to 2 minus 3t by 3. Okay, so here 9t minus 8t will be 1t, and minus plus will be, sign will go with minus only because greater number is with minus. So minus plus 12 plus 6 equals to 18 by 12 equals to 2 minus 3t by 3. 3 means 3, 3 6 is 3 4 is 12. So t minus 18 equals to 4 into 2 minus 3t, t minus 18 equals to 8 minus 12t. Okay, so I have to rub the question. See, t minus 18 is equals to 8 minus 12t. Okay, t plus 12t equals to 8 plus 18. So t plus 18 will be 13t, 26. So 13t equals to 26, or t equals to 26 by 13, that is equals to 2. 13 is 13, 13 to the 26. Okay, so t equals to 2. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. This was lengthy. Just rewind the video and see the solution. Okay, so this question is saying we'll just take the LCM of these 2, and here LCM will be 3. So 2 LCM is, so 2m minus, we have to multiply, so m minus 1, here 3 minus m minus 2. Okay, so 2m minus m plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 minus m plus 2 by 3. Okay, so 2m minus m will be m plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5m minus m by 3. So 3 m plus 1, and here 2, 5 minus m. Okay, I am solving here. So 3m plus 3 equals to 10 minus 2m. Okay, 5 to the 10 and 2 into m, that is 2m. Okay, so 3m plus 2m equals to 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m will be 5m, and 10 minus 3 will be 7. M will be equals to 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is the answer. I have just solved the question. We have taken just the LCM of this and LCM of this, put in the bracket. Okay, so 2m minus m and minus plus 1 equals to 3 minus m minus plus equals 2. Okay, so 2m minus m is m only, and plus 1, 3 plus 2 will be 5, and m is m only. And I have just cross multiplied 2 and 3. So 3 m plus 1 equals to 2, 5 minus m, and here is the solution. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. So let's move to the 7th question of this exercise 2.5. The 7th question is saying that 3 bracket t minus 3 bracket close equals to 5 bracket open 2t plus 1. So 3 into t will be what? 3 into t will be 3t only, minus 3 3 is a 9 equals to 5 2 is a 10, 10t plus 5. So variable one side and constant one, 3t minus 10t equals to 5 plus 9. So 3 minus 10 will be minus 7t equals to 5 plus 9 will be 14. So minus t equals to 14 divides minus 7, 7 minus 7, 7 2 is a 14, but 9 will go upside, so t will be minus 2. Okay, this question is easy, you can understand it easily only. Okay, now move to the question number 8 of exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. So question number 8, what is saying, the 15 bracket open y minus 4 minus 2 bracket open y minus 9 plus 5 bracket open 5 plus 6 equals to 0. So we will solve. 15 into 5 will be 15y only. 15 into 4 will be what? 60 minus 2, 2y minus 9 2 is 18 plus 5y plus 5 6 is 30 equals to 0. Just solve. Here 15y is there, y sign. Okay, so 15 plus 5 will be 20, and 20 minus 2 will be 18y. Okay, so here is minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So minus 60 plus 30 equals to plus minus, but sign goes with the greater sign. So minus 30 minus 18 equals to 0. So 18y equals minus minus plus, sign goes with minus only. So 30 plus 18 will be what? 48 equals to 0. So 18y equals to 48, y equals to 48 by 18. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. So y will be equals to 8 by 3. I hope you have understood the question also and answer also. Okay, let's move to the ninth question and the next question, second last question of this exercise 2.5. The ninth question is saying that 3 yz minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 equals to 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. The question is very simple. 5 into 3 will be 15z minus 7 3s are 21 minus 9 2s are 18z 11 2s are 22 but minus minus plus 22 equals to 4 8s are 32 z minus 13 4s are 4 3s are 12 1 4 is 4 5 52 minus 17. Okay, so 15z and here also z, minus 15 minus 18 and here is minus 21 plus 22. So here will what? Plus minus minus, sign goes with minus only. So 3z plus minus minus plus 1 equals to 32z. 32z, here it is 32z. Plus minus minus plus, sign goes with minus only, but plus it will be 8 9 and here will be 6 69. Okay, so 1 plus 69 equals to 32z plus 3z. So 70 equals to 32 plus 3 will be 35z. So z equals to z equals to 17 by 35. That is 35 into 35, 35 to the 70. Therefore z equals to 2. Okay, simple. Let's move to the 10th question and the last question of this exercise. What is the question? Question is here only 0.25. Here is the point question. 0.25 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 10f minus 9. Okay, 0.25 into 4 will be what? 100, means 1 f minus, it will be 25 3s are 75, to 0.75 equals to 0.05 into 10 will be what? 10 will be 0.50. Okay, f minus 0.45. Okay, so 1f minus 0.05 0.50f equals to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. So 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 1.00 minus 0.50 will be what? 0.50. So 0.50f equals to plus minus minus 0.45 minus 0.75 minus 0.45 will be what? 5 minus 5 0 and 7 minus 4 will be 3. It will equal to 0.30. Okay, so f will be equals to 0.30 by 0.50. Point cancel out, 0 0 cancel out, therefore 3 by 5 is the answer. Or it will be equal to 0.6. I hope you have understood the last question of this exercise, question number 10, which was a point question. I will explain once again also. 0.25 bracket 4f. The question is this. Okay, the question is this. What I have done, 0.25 into 4f, that is 1f, minus 0.25 into 3, that is 0.75. Okay, equals to 0.05 into 10, will be equal to 0.50f minus 0.05 into 9 will be 0.45. So just I have taken the variables one side and constant one side. 1f minus 0.050f equals to minus 0.54. It will go this side then plus this. Okay. So 1 minus this will be equals to 0.50f equals to 0.30. Let's have cancel out and the answer is 0.6. If you have understood the chapter, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Okay. Thank you.